And now we'll work through some examples of multiplying polynomials. X plus 5 times x minus 7. Both of these are binomials, so FOIL applies here. First, outer, inner, last. The first terms are both x. When I multiply those together, I get x squared. The outer terms are x and negative 7. I multiply those, that's a negative 7x. The inner terms are 5 and x. I multiply those, I get 5x, and that's positive. And the last terms are the 5 and the negative 7, the last term from each binomial. I multiply those and I get negative 35. And then I notice that the negative 7x and the 5x are both x terms. Those are like terms, they can be combined, and they should. So my final result is x squared. Then the minus 7x plus 5x gives me a minus 2x, and then I have the minus 35. In example 8, a plus b times a plus b. Well, again, I can do first, outer, inner, last. So the first terms are both a, so that gives me an a squared. The outer terms, a and b, that gives me just ab. The inner terms are b times a, or b and a multiplied together as b times a, which I can also write as a times b. And then the last terms are b and b, which give me a b squared. Now you see this AB shows up twice, once from the outer multiplication and once from the inner. Those two terms can be combined. AB and AB added together give me a 2AB. So my answer becomes a squared plus 2AB plus b squared. And example 9, x plus 3 times x plus 3. Again, I'll do a FOIL. The first terms are both x, so that gives me x squared. The outer terms, x and 3, multiply those, that is a 3x. And the same thing happens with the inner terms. The 3 and the x also give me a 3x. And then the last term in each binomial is the 3, and 3 times 3 is simply 9. And as before, I have some like terms that can be combined. 3x and 3x combine to give me a 6x. So my answer is x squared plus 6x plus 9.